I got these pydlife Sublimation Ready gift boxes, and I'll have a link below for that. But these came as a kit with everything needed to make custom gift boxes. pydlife also has an instruction video on Amazon, and in that video it says if the fold line is raised, it is the non-printable side. So that's how you know which side to press your design onto. The width of this box when it is unassembled is over 24 inches. And the height is well over my printer, my Sublimation printer's printable area. So what I am going to do is I am going to be piecing together a seamless design to put on here. But you don't have to do that. You could just print out a bunch of designs and add them with heat resistant tape and just put them in varying places on the box and leave some white background. I chose to do a seamless pattern. I'm going to be using HTV Ront 125 sublimation paper for this. And of course you need to use a sublimation printer for this. I used my Epson EcoTank 2760 that I've converted over to sublimation printing by adding sublimation ink, and this paper is 8.5 by 14, and now I have already trimmed all the edges down and I'm ready to piece it together. I'm going to leave the bottom of the box white, and so I have my design all taped in place and on the box ready to go. In the pydlife instruction video, it said 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. I'm using my HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2, so they go up in 5-degree increments. So instead of going with 355, I decided to go with 360 degrees Fahrenheit. I am adding 170 pounds of pressure, and I am running each press for 60 seconds. And of course, I'm going to have to do multiple presses for this, as the heat pattern is only 15 by 15 inches. Be sure to add protective paper to your press. Here you can see just how big this box is. Part of it is hanging over the edge on the right side. So here are a couple of the presses that I did, and again, each time I ran it at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. And here is the reveal. It turned out just the way I wanted it to. pydlife makes this very easy to assemble. Here you can see the window, and it has the adhesive right on it. You just peel back the backing of the adhesive and put it in place on the back side or the inside of the box. This kit also comes with double-sided tape to put the sides together as well. And here it is, fully assembled. I decided to create this box as a Christmas gift box, but there are so many uses for this box. You could use them as bridesmaid gifts, you could use them as candy for Halloween, anything. I mean, these are just adorable. They would be beautiful as custom for birthday parties and such. So I think it turned out really well. I wanted to give you a look at the back of the box so that you can see the seamless pattern look. So what I did is I found some designs on Creative Fabrica. I downloaded them and then I uploaded them into Canva, and then I created this seamless pattern with that. But like I said, if you don't want to go through the work of piecing your designs together, you could just print separate images, designs, and tape them on separately and have more of a white background. It would be easier to press if you did it that way. So there are many ways to do these pydlife boxes. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see links below.